Hello, students. Welcome to this session all about SQL, the backbone of data management and a critical skill for data analytics. Myself, Rajat Khantwal, and I am data analytics trainer at Prilika Services. So, whether you are a beginner or looking to solidify your knowledge, SQL is essential for working with databases efficiently. Today, I will introduce you to what SQL is and why it is important in data analytics, and the key topics you need to master to unlock its full potential. So, SQL or Structured Query Language is the standard language used to interact with databases. It is how we retrieve, manipulate, or manage data stored in a relational databases. So, in the world of data analytics, SQL is a non negotiable skill. Why? Because data is often stored in databases, and SQL lets you access and analyze that data efficiently. Whether you are working with customer records, sales data, or inventory, SQL helps you to extract exactly what you need to uncover patterns, generate reports, and make data driven decisions. So SQL is also very versatile. It is used in almost every industry and integrates seamlessly with tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Python. So you can use SQL for advanced analytics also. Now let's dive into the key topics you will need to learn to become a proficient in SQL. First, you will cover some basic of SQL queries. So start with the foundation, writing select statements to retrieve data from a table. You will learn how to use clauses like where to filter data and order by to sort it, ensuring you can extract some relevant information and some organized information. You will also cover joins and relationships. Joins are one of the most powerful features of SQL, which allow you to combine data from multiple tables. So you will learn inner join, left join, right join, and full join, which are essential for working with relational databases. You will also explore how to summarize data using functions like count, sum, average, max, and min. Grouping data with group by and refining it further with having helps you to answer complex questions like total sales by region or average order value by category. So, in short, you will also learn about aggregations and grouping. We will also cover filtering and subqueries. So, SQL allows you to filter data using operators like between, in, and like. You will also learn about subqueries, queries within queries. So, these subqueries let you perform advanced filtering and some advanced calculations. We will also cover data manipulation. Beyond querying data, you will work with insert, update, and delete statement. So you can add, you can modify, or you can remove some data from the tables. So this is very much essential for maintaining and cleaning data sets. You will also gain some insights about database design and relationship. So you will learn about database schema design, primary and foreign keys, and how to normalize data to reduce some redundancy and improve efficiency. If we are learning about SQL, we will also study some advanced topics. So as you progress, you will explore concepts like indexing for performance optimization, creating and managing views, and using stored procedures to automate some repetitive tasks. And finally, you will learn to integrate SQL with other tools like Excel, Python, or Power BI to create seamless data pipelines for analysis and reporting. So, SQL is more than just a technical skill. It is the gateway to understanding and working with data at a scale. By mastering SQL, you will not only improve your efficiency as data analyst, but also open doors to advanced analytics and integration with other tools. And you will make it one of the most in-demand skills in the job market. So SQL is foundation of modern data analytics, and mastering it is a critical step in your data analytics journey. So that is all for this video. Thank you very much.